Good morning, mate. Oh, welcome to the vlog. Now we're about to leave because I gotta go right now because I got a photo shoot, because I gotta get photos done for acting and modeling. Oh my god, I have to go right now. Well, I got here. Now let's go take some photos. So now the shoot is over. As you can see, I'm shaved again. I hate this. I hate shaving. It sucks. I like my beautiful beard. It makes me look older. Doesn't make me look like I'm 12. But guys, eyes open. That's what the photo guy kept telling me. He's like, get used to like bulging out your eyes, looking crazy. But yeah, no, I got a mini photo shoot at Panache. They're my management. They're great people. I'm starting to really get tired. Oh my god. But yeah, they're great people. I didn't videotape in there because I don't know if I'm supposed to or if I'm allowed to and things like that. So I don't like to push people's barriers. But look, cop car. Bye bye, cop car. So yeah, now what it is now I'm at a car meet. I'm like half an hour early because I got back from the city and now I'm in my small town. Great, it's always great, but like I think I'm gonna nap for like 20 minutes. I better be coming here. Nice.
What smells of glass.
Very fun car meet. It's nighttime now, so I'm gonna be heading home. I'm gonna light the bonfire, have a beer around the fire, have a good time.
My car redline's at $4,000.
Oh, mine redline's at like 7.
You're puffing smoke.
Yeah,